Forest Naturals 100% pure coconut shell derived activated charcoal has many uses, from teeth whitening to face masks and body detoxifying. It is 100% natural and very safe to use. To use it as a face mask, simply spread the product onto the dry, clean skin. Wait 5 minutes and you will start to see the mask bubble. Wait 1 to 2 more minutes, then simply wash off the mask to reveal fresh, clean, smooth skin. Use this mask once a week or every other week to improve skin, get rid of any dirt or blackheads trapped in the pores. To use it as a teeth whitener, simply wet your toothbrush, dip the brush into the charcoal and start brushing. Brush for 2 minutes. Then rinse out well to make sure that there is no charcoal left over. Do this every day, once a day, to see great results over time for a more whiter smile.